Hi everyone, this is a Toyota Hilux 4x4 pickup truck. Uh, you, as you can see here at the passenger driver seat, uh, this is a sixta transmission, and it's very high, a very big tire. Yeah, if you have a lot of baggage, you can put it here. This is a pickup truck, and you can go to mountains because this is 4x4. If you will rent this one, if you'll go to here, or you'll come here in Tacloban or Leyte, you will see this one at the airport of the Tacloban Airport. We are outside Tacloban Airport. Yes, we'll try. We will try the engine. Okay, this one. This is also ice cold aircon. Oh, quick start. Oh, ice cold aircon, no problem with the aircon. So if you want to rent this one, just log in, book to wheel, uh, just put a reservation there, booktowheel.com. Thank you guys.